Today I want to show you how to make how to set counterbore parameters for screws. I take a Japanese screw and make the settings so we have a counterbore in the upper part, and select upper part and lower part and put the screw, let's say 6 mm diameter. Okay, and as you see, we have here a counterbore. So maybe you are wondering from where those parameters are coming from. And counterbore parameters are first of all the radius of the counterbore, and then we have the thickness, the height. We can measure the height at the moment. It is 6.5 millimeters, and also we have the screw diameter of the hole. Okay, we are actually in Solid Genius using standard DIN 74 data, and there is a file called add cboard.lsp, and in this file all the screws are listed. So when you go and find your screw number, in this case it's 1180 Japanese, and it shows that it takes the DIN 74 form SA and the medium design. So with these values, SA and medium, we go to the din74.board.txt in the data folder, and when you scroll down and find this parameter, I look for SA. So here we go. We have here SA8. SA8 has, as you see, 6.5 is the height, and 12 radius, 24 diameter, and 9 is the screw hole diameter. So the standard values are coming from this table. But if you want a special value and you don't want to use the DIN 74 standard values, then we have, let me just show you first. This is the 9, and here is the 6.5, as you see, and the diameter is 24. So if you don't want the DIN standard values, we have made some settings. There's a file called user-defined cboard csync data, and here there's a setting. We say use not the standard values but users values. In this file you have to add the standard screw name 1180 and diameter 8, and here we write the hole diameter and counterbore diameter and the counterbore height. So for 1188, for us the counterbore diameter, I'm just giving some values, 35, and I write as counterbore height, let's see, something maybe 11. Okay, so I save this file and I read it. So when I read this file, the setting is done that Solid Genius will not use the standard value but the user-defined value. So if I create the same connection again, I give a point and say OK. As you see now, for the same screw, and the counterbore parameters are different. Let's control. So I'm checking the now diameter. Diameter is 35 as we said in the file, and the screw hole is 12, and the height was 11 like we said in the file. So we can tell Solid Genius that instead of using this DIN 74, use user's own values. What happens now? The setting is user's own values, but what happens if you have, for instance, we have 10 and 8, and if you are using which is not available in the user settings, let's see, screw diameter 6. I'm now using the same thing, but I'm setting 6, and the 6 is not defined as user value. Okay, sorry, I have to select different part. Okay, as you see, so it just automatically takes, because it's not found in the user Counterbore parameters. It takes the DIN74 standard. So there is no risk for you. If a setting is not there, automatically as fallback strategy, normal DIN74 settings is taken. Thank you.